I'm preparing things for final assembly and glue up on the Queen Anne chair. This is the back assembly, and you can see where I've got pinned mortise and tenon joints in 6 different places here. And the original piece shows that the pins actually are showing square at the surface, and to get that square at the surface, I need to prepare the pins with a rounded part and then a squared part at the very end. So I've made a couple of these very small ones for this upper crest rail joint, and I know it's hard to see this, but it's round in the lower portion but square up towards the top. So when I pound that in, what will show is a little diamond shape in the surface of the wood. Now let me show you how I make those things. I've cut a piece of ebony 1/4 by 1/4, and the first thing I do is just file off, kind of making this thing an octagon shape, knocking off the 4 corners a little bit, and I'm getting it so that I can enter this little shaping plate here. This is one that Lee Nielsen provides, and it's got a 1/4 inch doweling hole here, so I can set that into the doweling plate and hammer that down, and what comes out the other end is a nice nice rounded end. Now, I'm just doing it a little bit further back. These pins here and here will be about 1 inch long, so I need a 3/4, say a 3/4 inch area where it's round, and then the last little bit will be square shaped to create that diamond at the very surface. So I'll hammer this down, and I'm looking for about a 3/4, and that's about what I've got there. So I can knock that out. And sometimes I need a little, there it is. So now I've got a 3/4 rounded area here that'll go in there nicely, and I need to saw this off with about another 1/4 inch of material. But before I saw that off, I'm going to just shape that area right where it changes from round to square. I'm just going to ease that off a little bit. I don't want that to catch so much as just smoothly drive in toward the square. So now I'm going to just hand saw that off at the length I need. So this is the little piece with a square end and a round lower portion, and that'll go right in there. So that's the process. I've got 3 more to make here, and then this will be ready to glue up with the hide glue.